Hey, this is Tyler Monroe for the Breadboard Project for Professor Riley's Music 112 class. Um, Basically, we're doing the cable tester project, but we're using a breadboard instead. So, yeah, that's the introduction. All right, just to start things off, again, just like last time, I had to find a resistor to be able to light up this LED. So, what I need to do for that is the formula V as in voltage equals I times R, which is, I believe, current times resistance. So the voltage is 9, but because we have an LED, it's a voltage drop of about 2. So 7 volts equals, we can only have 0.02 amperes through there times the resistance. Okay, there's that. So I'm going to figure that out real quick. Seven divided by 0.02 equals 350 ohms. So there's that. So according to my notes, I need a resistor that has an orange band. Sorry, I'm thinking. Then a green. Then times 10, 35 times 10, 10 to the first. 10 to the first is a brown. And then either silver or gold for the tolerance band. So I'm going to try to look for that real quick. Where are the resistors? Okay, I found one similar. I believe it should work. I don't know if you can see it. It's orange, white, brown, and gold. So we're going to see if that works first. Yeah. So here's my breadboard. You can barely see it with the light. But yeah, there's the breadboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the battery. Black side's negative, red side's positive. I'm going to connect the negative side to this blue end, the blue side of the breadboard. There we go. Which is the negative side, and then the red side to the opposite red side, which is the positive. There we go. Simply, I'm going to connect the resistor to the negative side. I'm also going to connect it to the opposite side of the breadboard. So as of now, I'm connecting. I don't like how these are labeled. Okay, it looks like I'm going from the blue positive side to, it looks like F10, I believe. So, and this is just straight to the LED, hopefully that it lights up. So we're going from F10, and then I'm going to go to J10 on the negative side should be on there. So J10 to the positive side of the breadboard. And look, if you didn't see it, it lights up. Here. There's off. On. There we go. Off. On. Okay. So the battery works, the LED works, resistor works. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to test this TRS cable. Basically, I use these jacks right here. I'll just connect those. Each cable is connected to a specific part. One's connected, I believe, this one's connected to the sleeve, I believe. This one. No, maybe this is connected to the sleeve. Nope. Okay, this one's connected to the tip. This one looks like it's connected to the sleeve. This one looks like it's connected to the ring. And then same general setup on the other side. So basically, we're going to start. Got this, I'm going to plug this in farther. I'm going to plug the resistor in farther down on the chain. So I can have the jack stuff over here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to start with the tip, which is this wire right here. And I need to connect this to the same row as the resistor. So there. And then it's going to connect over here to the other tip. So I need to connect the tip on the opposite side in a different row. Make sure I do the right one. Tip. Okay, this one's the tip. I'm going to connect this in, it looks like 25J. Okay. Now I think I'm going to go to the sleeve, which is this one right here. The middle one's the sleeve. So I got to connect that in the same row so that the electrons go file through. So that sleeve's connected, and it's going to connect to this sleeve. So I take this sleeve, I'm going to connect it, and it looks like 30A. So power is going from one sleeve to the next. Now I'm going to connect the ring. It's going to be the same row as the second sleeve. I'm going to put that in 30E. And then I have this one, this ring to take care of. So I'm going to put in randomly, looks like 15E. So I've got everything connected except for my light, moment of truth, negative side into the same row. So actually I'm going to connect that there, that there. Going to connect to the same side as the positive line. Oh, look at that. TRS works fine. You can see there's the light. If I unplug it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it here. You unplug in the TRS sleeve. Oh, light goes off. Plug it back in. Light goes on. Okay, so now I'm going to trace the path real quick. Okay, so we're starting from the 9-volt battery, negative side going down the blue line. The blue is going down to the resistor. Resistor then is connected to, it looks like 27B. So, follow my pen. Battery down here to the resistor, so 27B. And then I believe I connected the tip first. So tip's connected to 27E. It goes through the sleeve or through the cable, all the way through the cable to the other tip. The other tip, if I can find it, the other tip looks like it's connected in 25J. 25J. And that's connected to the sleeve. I believe it connected to the sleeve next. Yeah, the sleeve, which is in 25G. So it goes through this, goes through the sleeve to the other end of the cable, to the other sleeve, which is connected to 30A. So it goes to 30A, then 30A is connected to 30E, which is the ring. Yeah, the ring. So it goes back to the cable through the ring, all the way through the cable to the other ring. The other ring is connected to 15H. Then from 15H we connect to the LED, which is in 15J. And then from the negative side of the LED to the positive side of the LED, we plug into the positive side of the breadboard. And thus it connects back to the battery. The LED lights up. Again, you unplug it, light turns off, plug it back in, light turns on. There we go. So yeah, that's my breadboard project. Pretty simple. And yeah, there you go.